What if you could press a button and instantly receive $1? What if you could repeat it as often as you want each day? This strategy is widely accessible and cost-free. Keep monitoring and paying attention, because if you miss those pointers, you won't be able to make any money. Watch the video right away. Today, we're going to use the website Paidera.com to make money online. I strongly suggest that you watch this video before visiting the website and attempting to solve the problem on your own. I'll cover a variety of subjects in this video, including how to register for a free account, extra advice on how to make money quickly, step-by-step instructions, and a mistake you should avoid to successfully withdraw your winnings. Simply completing surveys with Paidera, you can make money. You can earn money while using your time, and since the payoff is swift, you should obtain cash right away. This may be accessed from any country in the globe, thus there are no country limits. It can be carried out using a computer or a portable device. The aspect of this service that I appreciate the most is that you can start withdrawing your money right away once you reach the $5 minimum payout threshold, and you can have it in a day. There is no limit to the number of jobs you can work each day or the amount of money you can earn each day. Towards the end of this video, if you stick with me, I'll reveal a secret method you may use to continuously make money by simply clicking a few buttons. As you can see, Paidera.com offers a lot of chances for you to make money. You can sign up for numerous activities on one website, complete surveys, post videos, invite and recommend friends to earn extra cash, write articles, and much more. They have over 654,000 members, have completed over 5 million assignments, and have distributed more than $1 million to users worldwide. People keep making money on this platform. I can show you tens of thousands of payment records to demonstrate how effective this is without a doubt. With this chance, everyone can begin making money, which is without a doubt fantastic. To access this page and create a free account, just click the blue Create an Account symbol at the top. Before choosing Sign Up and Create My Account, you must enter your name, username, email address, and password. You can begin completing surveys, downloading apps, carrying out activities, inviting friends, and posting videos once you've properly enrolled. You can do a lot of things to get money, and I'll show you how to do each one. After entering into your account, you can do surveys exactly like this. There are an infinite amount of surveys available to you, and more are uploaded every day. More surveys will show up when you hit the refresh button. I am aware that the surveys available here only have a value of 40 cents or 50 cents. The secret, though, happens here, so allow me to show you how you may greatly boost your earnings using simply this website. You can access this website by simply clicking Take Surveys, where you can start filling out surveys by clicking the buttons. The surveys will load automatically on this website when you simply click the blue Start Survey button. Once it is finished loading, they will start asking questions. Scroll down to the bottom and click the Next button. Make sure you select a right button because it is tucked away at the bottom of the website. You will see Scroll down to continue after the web page has loaded once more. You don't even need to answer any of the questions on this page, simply scroll to the bottom of the website and click Continue. One of the reasons I like this website is that you can earn 50 cents for each button you click on it. For correctly answering 2 questions, you will receive $1. To move on to the next question, click anywhere, then scroll down and choose Next. This can be done every day, at any time. Here, you can see the answer to the 4th query. As you scroll down below, click the Next button to continue answering more questions. After finishing this one, simply go to the bottom of the page, follow the same steps there, and click Continue. I'll add another 50 cents straight away. You can repeatedly click the button, scroll down, and choose Next without having to enter any information. To keep making money continuously, just click the button, choose the Next button, scroll down, and click Continue. If you want to get more money, you can do this for numerous surveys. The best thing about this website is that after completing the first 10 surveys, you can access surveys that pay out twice as much. There are countless surveys available. That's it for today. Share and subscribe and press the bell icon for more such content.